Good morning, Miss Gibbs. Welcome to Berdin Hotel. I am Cecilia, your personal butler. Can I help you with your luggage?
Yeah, sure.
This way to your room, ma'am. Ma'am, your room is located on the third floor.
Thank you.
Ma'am, let me explain to you the facilities and amenities of our hotel. First, we have a gym open at 7 a.m. to 10 p.m. located at the 5th floor. Second, we have a pool located at the 6th floor, open 7 a.m. to 10 p.m. The third, we have a restaurant located at near the lobby area. You can eat your breakfast, lunch, or dinner there. And then we have a spa located at the lobby area also. It opens 7 a.m. to 10 p.m. And we have the souvenir shop located at the near the lobby area also. Open at 7 a.m. to 10 p.m.
Thank you for letting me know.
Ma'am, we are now at the third floor. So this way to your room, ma'am. This is your room, ma'am. Room 304. Inside your room, ma'am, you have a bathroom that is hot and cold shower. And you have a refrigerator. And this is your TV. It has 43 inches. There's a channel 7 and 21, and you can also watch YouTube there through your laptop. And this is your telephone with direct dialing system. Press 3 for housekeeping, press 2 for front office, and press 1 for room service. So here's your key, ma'am. Enjoy your stay here in our hotel. Don't hesitate to call the Butler number service. Once again, I am Cecilia, your personal butler.